Howdy y'all, Fuzzy Biker here. We are in Chennai, India. Right off the Bay of Bengal. We are at the Royal Enfield factory for, I don't know what they build here, but we're getting left behind by our group. This is one of many factories that they have. We rode a bus in. It took, I don't know, 2 hours to go about 30 miles. Traffic is just that way. I'm not sure what kind of video I'll be able to shoot today, but we will do our best to get some good stuff. I'm really looking forward to this. We saw the Gorillas and some other bikes like that already out in traffic. All right, catch up with y'all in a bit. Wahoo! Hey, Fuzzy here. We are inside the shop. I can't do much videoing here, so I'll just do a little bit. All that noise is machine equipment working. We're in the machine shop area. The first one they designed here in the spec center.
Wow, amazing.
Yeah. Yeah, the famous motor for us. This is the twin 650. I've got two of these.
Oh, it's so cool. You have a cutaway motor?
I have two of the engines.
Function. Oh, gotcha. Oh, this is so cool.
Transmission end. Drive sprocket. Oh wow.
This is Explorer to you?
Yeah. I'm going to step around. There's the famous transmission. The most amazing 6-speed twin cylinder combination in my mind. Stator. Dual crankshaft in there. Clutch pack. Love it, love it. Dual throttle bodies. J engine?
Yeah, this is the J.
Okay. Wow. Intake valve, exhaust valve, transmission back there. Little tiny piston working away.
How tight it is.
How short it is, yeah. Yeah.
Tiny though. It's one of those motocross bikes.
It's got that lube thing on the... Very nice.
With the new Himalayan engine, sir, we have the function of the 4 strokes.
Right. With lights.
Yes, sir. All the valves, exhaust open, inlet open.
Intake, compression, yeah, power, yeah, exhaust, yeah. Wow.
This is the Explorer view of it.
Thank you. That is the Hemi engine, the new 452.
This is the 450.
450, yeah. Love it, love it. And here it is all put together. I've got 17,000 on one of these. Wahoo! These are some of the colors of the tanks that they're doing. Let me walk in front of everybody here. I think these are all pretty standard ones. I can't do the pictures in the area where they're doing the 650 classic colors, the new ones. They are going to allow us to take some pictures in another area where they're doing the pinstriping. So we'll get to that here in a second. They've got rules on where we can point our cameras. I can look over there and see what I want to show you, but okay, we'll keep on moving. So they're going to do pinstriping here for us. The pinstriping guide.
Yeah, that's cool. When we go to the motor course, when they did last week, one button tank set up and you can try and go. Yeah, if they do the same.
There's the tank on the other side for what it'll look like.
They'll have that again. That's well, yeah. Triumph was one of them. Yeah, Enfield does, yeah. Actually, the last time I would see it, they were doing black and gold as well. Yeah. He comes second. Honestly, with stuff like this, what makes it special is the fact that they're a little different from each other. You know, like that's really what the imperfections are what make. That's what sells it. You know? Yeah. We're using the same function with that. Yeah. It's twist and pressure. Those guys says like that. It's very like these decal pliers. There's so this guy's just working. But he's got concentrate with all these people around him. You know, got one guy over here, one guy over here.
So anyone if you want to just try this, you can try it.
Oh no.
He wants us to try it. That's not going to happen.
Just follow the line.
And there are little guidelines in there.
Yes, sir.
So these are all the stickers. So they'd be Himalayans. This is the gorilla right here. These are the guys doing their thing right over there.
I can't even take the box.
Looks like they put a, like I said, the plastic frame on the tank over there to give them guidelines. Way in the back, you can see the fellow doing his thing.
Put on the ground. I like the black, yellow, and red.
So this is robot painting, or clear coating actually. So the product is already painted when it comes through. And these machines, these robots, it's all, we can't even smell it out here. There's no air. You can't tell this is happening. It's just amazing. This is the clear coat, the final clear coat on the tank. No human hands, no touching until after it dries. Look at these over here. That is the new Classic 650. Amazing, amazing. Almost flat-footed. Yeah. You want me to walk around you? Sure. Make me look thin. Suck it in then. I can't. I'm there. Wonder what color that is. Wow. It's all right. I won't walk around the back of you. Brand new Royal Enfield Classic 650. That feels good. Yeah. That feels good. Look at that gold one. Or green one. That teal, yeah. Look at this through here. The classic dash. We've got the normal. Oh, these are chrome. Look at this. Chrome now, yeah. Got the hand grips, those round, those cool hand grips, levers. What else? You notice anything else? Covered up forks. This is all metal. Yep. I wonder if the fender is metal. I love the visor over the light. Yeah. How about the fender? Is that metal? Yeah, it looks like it's metal. And then on the black and chrome, it's chrome fender. Oh wow! It's painted on the two colors. That's amazing. All right, y'all. Fuzzy here. We have just walked through the whole thing. Check the whole thing out. This is the outside. I can run the camera out here. These are all. Those are brand new classics over yonder. It's classic 650s. Anyway, it's quite a shop. The machine shop, it was amazing. The tolerances, the testing, the air test case covers, and I mean, I don't even know how to, I wish I could have videoed it. It was just incredible detail. Every engine is QR coded, all the parts are QR coded, so they know what parts with what engine, with what bike, the frames, even the paint. And we went through the paint shop and the assembly process, and just amazing, amazing. Look at this. There's a test. So they run all the engines up, and they they test them that way. I think he said 15 minutes. And when the bikes are assembled, they run them on this track here and drive them. I don't know how far it goes, but it's a neat little track. Now I tried like heck to get them to let me ride some of these, but apparently the answer is no for today anyway. I'm really we saw a couple gorillas, but I did not see the gorilla assembly. I saw the parts, the tanks, and stuff like that. We did sit on some of the new classic 650s and saw the 3 different colorways that are out right now: the black and chrome, the green, and then kind of a classic maroon and white. But what a treat. I really want to thank Royal Enfield and Baxter Cycle for getting me here, and I want to thank y'all for watching the videos and liking and commenting, and that made all this possible. Otherwise I would not be in India. So thank you everybody. Life is good. Life is good. If y'all are interested in your used Royal Enfield, get to your Royal Enfield dealer. If you're in my area, go to baxtercycle.com. Those guys can help you out. Just look at this area. Bikes all over. They say there's 3 lines, and each line has a bike come off every 45 seconds. So that's a whole lot of motorcycles. And this is just one of their factories. This is one of their bigger factories. Life is good, my friends. Get out there and ride your motorcycles. Wahoo! Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wahoo! Wahoo! Yeah, look at that. I wonder if we can see that better from the other side. Is it in here? Nope. Look at this, look at this.
Oh, that's gorgeous. That like that got an imprint.
I hope that picks up in the camera.